We spend 6 to 8 hours wrestling complex topics into videos until we're exhausted. Today, we cut that timeline to 2 to 3 hours. At the end of this process, you will have a fully researched, perfectly paced, and narrated draft, synchronized and ready for final visual polish. Before we start the timer, you need 2 things. First, pick a complex topic, something like how black holes bend time. Second, open 3 free accounts: Google, Perplexity, and CapCut. Treating your videos like an unpredictable art project often leads to inconsistent uploads. Moving to a strict assembly line structure removes the guesswork, helping you stay on schedule week after week. Step 1 is discovery. Close all your random browser tabs. We need a single, organized pipeline for information to prevent getting lost in the research phase. Open Perplexity. Ask it for the latest data, trends, and specific statistics on your topic. It returns summarized answers along with direct links to the original sources. Never copy an AI output directly into your script. You must run it through this credibility checklist first. Verify every statistic against at least 2 reliable sources. Delete absolute words like always or guaranteed. Finally, log every citation to include in your video description. Now that you have clean, verified notes, take them over to Google's Notebook LM. Upload the text directly into a new notebook. This isolates the AI, forcing it to generate answers using only the documents you provided. Ask Notebook LM 2 specific questions. Give me the 5 most misunderstood points about this topic, and turn this into a story-based explanation with 1 real-world analogy. By pulling hard data from Perplexity and synthesizing it inside the closed environment of Notebook LM, the leap from raw facts to a structured story is significantly shortened. This gives you a clear path forward based on actual sources. Step 2 is scripting. We need to turn those structured notes into something a human actually wants to listen to, pacing the information out into conversational acts. Copy your Notebook LM summaries and paste them into Google AI Studio. Tell the Gemini model to explain the concepts for a 14-year-old using a 3-act structure, and ask for a targeted runtime of 6 to 10 minutes with chapter timestamps. Within seconds, it generates a clean conversational script, neatly broken down into distinct sections. Do not feed this entire script into a voice generator at once. To keep the energy consistent, slice your text into 4 blocks of roughly 2 minutes each. Paste each block into the AI Studio voice generator. Add a prompt to convert the script into SSML, Speech Synthesis Markup Language, which allows you to add short breath pauses and force a warm educational tone. Before we assemble the pieces, record the very first line of the video using your own voice. That single human sentence provides a personal anchor at the start of the video. When combined with the steady pacing of the 2-minute audio blocks, you minimize the robotic rhythm that typically leads to audience drop-offs. Step 3 is the final assembly. We are done creating raw materials. Now we aggregate them. Open CapCut. Drop your custom voice recording onto the timeline first, followed sequentially by the 4 AI-generated audio blocks. Select the audio and use the silence cleanup tool to instantly cut out any awkward pauses. Then click Auto Captions. The text syncs directly to the narration in seconds. Automating timeline cleanup reduces the hundreds of repetitive clicks required by traditional editing. It keeps your energy directed toward the final visual polish rather than manual labor. Look at your timeline. You have a structurally sound, thoroughly researched, and perfectly paced rough cut, and you built it in under 3 hours. The tools didn't do the thinking for you. You selected the topic, verified the sources, and directed the pacing. The AI just executed the mechanical steps at speed. Your challenge for this week is simple. Take 1 difficult topic on your content list and run it through this exact 5-tool workflow. A fast, repeatable system allows for consistency that isolated efforts cannot match. Saving 2 hours per video creates room for more frequent uploads, and on YouTube, that frequency is what compounds into long-term growth.